I do the video last year. Tomorrow I go find the video. Now there I snap the picture. I encourage this woman, go and see your lawyer. I know that it's very hot, it's not easy. This baba, where the baba? You see, this a pa. Now see, now he carry the woman video, he carry my own. God go bless this man. Now there I see him for TikTok. Last year I can't do this woman video because of the good mind when I get. I encourage this woman. This woman not feel believe himself. You not feel encourage yourself. You can't depress. You not feel take good care of your mental health. You know, I know say it's not easy for them to take your children. It's very hot. What did they go they do you, my brother? What did they go they do you, my sister? Oh my God. What did they go they do you after they take your children away? Now, you get one woman that the last 2 years, that one commit suicide. Last 2 years ago, it's not 3 years ago in Deutschland, that one just he passed the window, commit suicide. That one commit suicide. If they no say they talk about this, now I know they talk again. If not because of this, if they take your children away, what did they go they do you? What did they go they do you, my brother, my sister? I swear, if you don't get mine, you go feel like to just by yourself. You go feel like to lose the children for them. And now what did they want me they do you? This message now for free. If you don't say you did the project now, you did with you get I give you this message for free. So hold yourself. If you don't say you are under you get if I'm not talking, we're under social. One thing or the other, please hold yourself very well. I don't know the problem. Not be only picking. Maybe one thing or the other, you get You don't know what to be that name. You get If my children don't come back, I don't want to hear that name again. If I hear me, I'm not sure say, oh my God, may God help me. I don't suffer. I'm not sure say if my children come back, more than they pray for Lovette. Me and the let German know I will never stay in a country. What una do me? They look me. If una want make I go tell the president or Jamie, una be human being. Me, my children come back say, Mama, upon the suffer when I suffer, upon the sacrifice, me stay in a country. Upon the suffer when my children suffer. Even my children get mental health. My children depressed. My children suffer. Me, I suffer. My children come back, me stay in a country. Never. Never, my people. You get. And they come my people. Never, never. I don't go stay in a country. So, if I they talk that kind of thing, they go they look me. They go they look me. Yes. I said if my children come, the suffer when my children suffer for una hand. The suffer when me suffer for una hand. The challenge when I see. I don't stay in a country. Because not be only Jamie be the country. And they take the whole heart now. If Nalamuna carry the document, I don't feel do away where he get where I do that video. It's not last year, last 2 years. I said, may they release my children. I don't want. He get where I carry that video. It go viral. They see that video. Abi? Yeah, I don't feel talking. And I say, I'm not going to stay in a country. May they all release my children for me. Make I go. They know, make I go. Please. Now my children. Not be only Jama be the Euro. I'm not desperate for Jamie. No, so some people don't like DJ. Me, I don't like him. These people know say I don't like him. Right from, if not be say I born for this country, me I for don't base oh. Me when you visit 5 countries, Jamie make am 6 countries. I know the way Denmark. Una know Denmark. The way Denmark, not the way Denmark very nice country. Travel is a part of education. I don't stay for Switzerland. Switzerland, their character for them, you also they different. So travel, my brother, no they believe in that country where you're there for. I don't feel stay for one country because all Europe they get different character. The way Jamie be, God forbid, if they dash me Jamie, I not go carry. They know now. They know say this woman. That is why they carry my children wrong. See, the reason why they carry my children, they know say if I see my children today, this woman go roll in luggage. I go roll am. I go the way I throw my luggage. I no go run. I no go run for the police. I no go run for the president. I no go run for the. I go come out in peace. Oh God, the network. Oh, you understand? Thank God. I go come out in peace. peace, not by quarrel. I don't visit 5 countries. Jamie make am 6 countries. And wetin dey here? See this woman now. You see how he's depressed. It's not easy. He can't depress. Manipulator come, they go paint you. Can you go to Nigeria? We can bring your children back to you. They don't say the woman don't depress. Jamie, yeah, nobody to call. Since when this woman cry, come out for TikTok. When I carry this woman video, when they pa, this a pa, when God go blow, now see this woman we put her. Now so we call hear of this woman rich. I do the woman video, I encourage her. Tomorrow I go find the video, come and say, no worry. Madam, go carry lawyer. Go carry a lot of Nigerian girls, they cry, come and they collect their children. When I do my video, I say, go carry lawyer, madam, don't cry. I know that it's very hot. But now so we call hear of that woman rich. He Jamie for here now they talk. Nobody want call you. So Nigeria may wait there here, man and women. Even Africa may wait there here. They know they call. They be equesu, most of them. Even though that girl not be your boyfriend, you see say that woman they problem. Like this woman, he need therapy. He need somebody to call. Because he make sure that for that video, say he na single mother. Say your husband not there with him. Now only one pikin come there with her. They carry 2 common. This kind of lady, he need somebody to talk to. He need somebody. He need man we go they talk to her, we go they call her, they give her joy. Jamie, yeah. Even though he the friend man for year. If you be say this woman fit get man for year now. If you dey date a man for year, they go use relationship take by you. They will use their frustration. You go feel like say relationship not they love not they. You understand? This woman I can't depress, loneliness, overthinking. Now they cause all those things. Nobody to call, nobody to talk to. They begin to maybe I know that they begin to manipulate him. Because it's when this woman cry come and nobody call the hear of him again. Me myself don't call the see him again. I believe say this woman not be social media, not be TikTok. I even tell this woman say make they follow me for TikTok. I go bring the video come out tomorrow. Man, I no worry. I said they follow me. They use my own. They encourage yourself. A lot of women they follow me for TikTok when they collect their children. They are happy. I said they encourage them. We not call you of this woman again. And here now they say you can't depress. The woman can't get depression. You can't get score overthinking. They go take your children away. They don't allow you see your children. Wetin they go do you Wetin they go do if they collect your children? That is why some women they depress. The reason why some women will not guess it no easy. Some women will come like the one where it happened to one Nigerian girl in 3 years ago. That one Akpa he said. They will take your children run away. They will manipulate your children to forget you. They do anything by you as a mother. And they only tell now because I don't want to talk this thing because I don't feel do it. He did my video. 63 years all this thing I don't feel do it for now. He did my TikTok, I not delete them. But because of this woman story I they talk am, they will do if they will manipulate your children. They don't allow you see your children. They know what they are doing, you know. That is why they want you to depress. They want to roma. They know say if they do you all those things, the thing go they pay you. You know, as a mother now you want to see your baby, the thing go they pay you. So you after they carry your children run away, they go they manipulate your children. Say your children not there alive again, they will manipulate. From there they go face you as a mother. They're not gonna leave your children. They will face you as a father. Spiritually, physically, they're gonna find one thing for you to see get that score, that running man. So they go face you. They will call you for office to office to manipulate you, to paint you, to make sure that you confuse. They're gonna ask you, hey, they see your children. Whereas now they demo. The guy when you call you for office, they ask of that thing. Now they don't plan them. They want to see your reaction. They want to try whether they go manipulate you. They will feel do that kind of thing. You know you are alone now. Even though somebody, after I say you are a single mother, even though somebody follow you come, you get one day when one brother follow me go their office. They don't agree make that boy follow me enter their office. I just say person follow me your come here. You call me for office, madam. He say yeah. Person want follow me sit down. You they say make he sit down for outside. They don't agree make that boy sit down. This brother they say make that boy sit down so that you now you he said na me you want see. I said okay brother. I be say we sit down together. Make they hear what this woman want talk. Make you sit down. Make I answer her. You see me finish. It's okay. You can go and meet your friend. I don't even mind now. Now you want to tell me something? I go meet my friend. Do I tell you say that my friend? Now you want to tell me I go meet her? Why you don't allow this boy enter his office? So they want you to be alone so that be yourself. They want to see chance, pursue a lot of body people away from you. If you are a man or woman, if you are a man, you are under you. They don't agreement you get the house where they will give you. If you are a man, they will give you one kind of house. They will give you discussion. You don't go get girlfriend. You know they don't say if you get somebody like that, that one can encourage you. That one can that one can see they help you. They put you through. They would like to pursue people away from you. I don't know. If you are a man or you are a woman, the house where they go even give you. If not be God, when you give me this house when I did today. If not be my children head, the twins, they are twins. So say twins, they carry grace come. I foresee that house now. I foresee that Aduro house. God make me to get this house. It's not by my power. Now he made this house when I call them a living house. And the children, I see they protect me. My God see they protect me. I foresee that Aduro house. So that Aduro house, they don't agree make your boyfriend come. If you are a man, they'll send a social house. If they look for her, they go block everywhere. They don't agree make you see house. So I know that. Why are you people doing that? Mona, stop it. We are human beings. Stop it. Now what I tell one that this, you people stop this. They would like to block everywhere. Say this one a social house. We don't want to have a girlfriend. Headmaster fit the house where me there before. Where they for collect machine. Headmaster they una know house where headmaster they. So my baby papa that time if they door they enter the house. So no visitor. You know that all those things. They would like to block everywhere so that you be yourself. You can lose guy. They go say chance hey. Do you not go they say somebody where go they encourage you where go they say do like this or not go fuck up oh. No go do if no God. If not God for mama twins. Make una dey help me dey tell God. 4 years now. 4 years. Without no medication. I say muna go now me dey talk so go and ask the president of Germany. Now even German they no say God really dey oh. Because these people don't believe anything like that. Now through me now they wonder say which kind human being be this one? They don't try. Go and ask people that know me for real life. Even my baby papa, you feel they watch me now. Go and ask the president that this woman is where they go tell you. I never take any medication. I never swallow. I dey sleep like a baby. Since when they take my children away, nothing concern them. I dey sleep well. Say I go swallow medicine before I go sleep. Never. I never try. They never give me. Jamie, everything there for computer now. If they give me that kind of thing, they go see tell. Everything there for computer. You get? So nothing like that. They sleep, normal sleep where God give me. And my mental head, they don't try and tire. I said, nothing wrong with me. Now they ask me question. Now Nigeria gonna want frustrate. This woman now, it don't get score. They will collect some Nigeria get children. They don't say it's not easy. They will deal with you, carry your children run away. They will think say you don't go, your head no normal. I say, I beg go. I'm not like that. If you not take my children away, now my life will not take. Not be my life. My life is very important. Now my children will not carry. I beg. When I leave me alone, I dey live my life. They go without no quarrel, without no problem. I dey do my thing. They go without no violence, without no shouting. If they call me for the office, I just see answer there. Oh, Mario. They don't try to manipulate. Wait till one will do this woman now. Now money. If they want to seize my money, they will see. God go see make a way. People that love me, where God go bless. What did they never do? If they want to seize the money, they no say, me will seize and me will see whether I have this woman want to chop. God go see do one for people where love me. Say, see my condition. They go see help me. Oh, love it. Now this one they go to. I say, see, what did they never do? Now what did I tell one girl? Wait till now. Even caution don't they judge them. Even their caution don't they judge them. Say, this woman try yo. This after I come out for their office, their caution. You know, say most of them good though. Especially this city I live. May God bless this city. No be all Jamie oh. Let's say the truth. No be all Jamie oh. No be all Jamie wicked oh. You get but most of them. Like this city, get some city where you go they live. Like this city, they no get that time like that. They have these people, this city I live, oh, they even the pity for me. The place where they for collect my children, you see that city. I always write the name. You get one video where I call you go viral. I write the name. I only make sure because Jamie is very big. I don't want to call live for all the OJ. No, I dey make sure the city where you see that city. Ha! Shineke na Mezioku. All those one. Even when I come to this city, where God carry me enter this city, I run for that Aduro. They try to they bring message to this city. You know, say you get all of them, they work together. They don't know say na hear my project come day. Nothing where these people never do. They say me they pursue me for that house. But these people are nice, oh. May they don't try. If these people call me for office, they will try to see do one thing. I say, I beg. If I say these people go even go to tell them, I say, this woman won't they say me they do like that. They don't see that kind of thing. The woman a nice person. This city when I live, Mona leave this woman alone. I bet this woman a nice person, very respectful. He get respect. We never see anything stupid. Even the house where they live, the people that hold my children, you get and for that side. They say make they pursue me for this house. Make they remove me for this house so that they know say this house. Now my children are carrying for. These people begin to pursue me one certain time, go and look for another house. Not be their photo. Now the people will collect my children for another city. Because they know say, now my children name, everything now take carry this house. They come, they pursue me. If these people can get that sympathy, this city, I'm still in this house now. I'm still in this house till today. These people are still paying. People they tell me say, if na another city, they not go pay again. They not go pay. You get some city, they not go pay again. House when I carry for my children, they never bring my children come. But these people are still paying. Jamie know they pluck money, oh. Not to say the money where they pay for. I'm not an ungrateful person. They are still paying because of the children. They can't see say they can't observe me. These people when collect my children for that side, you get because they work together. They don't observe me say this woman no get problem. What you know they say make the pursue her. They are still paying this and that. Time they go. If I go meet my lawyer, they don't come. They even collect my where they for collect my children. They don't even carry my lawyer number. They go they go just call my lawyer lie. If that woman call office, do like this. No manner. Leave her, make see the reaction. This and that. My lawyer wait, they answer me before. Wait, Jamie. My lawyer wait fight for me before. If I go there, that man a nice person. You know they answer me again. I go see calm down. Even my lawyer, you know say every blessed day, everything have your time. Nah, they don't do more than 4 years now. Even my lawyer, they are cautious. If I see go my lawyer play without no shouting, where is my children? Where is my dad? Sometimes they go even call my lawyer for phone. I go they hear them. People that collect my. I said, so now I can ask my lawyer. So these people don't collect your number. They don't they manipulate you. My lawyer said, what is that? And I said, hey, Shineke. Where? I tell my lawyer, I leave everything for God. If I buy these children for Deutschland, it is well. If I go buy her from Nakot, it is well. As far as I say, God, give me these children. I not do my children bad. When they collect my children, and because one thing of the other, I know too different like that. It's just like the way this woman thought, say, he was stressed, he na single mother, he dey on stress, I they tell children. Yes, now so me say, Bill, I can't dey on stress. Everything they computer. No be say I break my children or not. So, now, make they release my children. They don't want to release. They are trying anything but I serve a living God that never sleep or slumber. I tell my lawyer, I say, My lawyer say, He can't say, I say, I serve a living God that never sleep or slumber. Make they do what they want to do. Let them talk to you. Make they manipulate you. They feel say I'm a nobody. But I'm nobody for in the eye of God. I'm a somebody in the presence of God. They feel say, now let me, I don't get anybody, anything can happen to me. But in the sight of God, I'm a somebody. I'm a somebody. So now feel say, for physical, say, oh, this woman don't get anybody. I'm a somebody for the eye of God. The God will create you now. The God will create everybody. Not be God create you now. No, be God create una, now create una self. I mean, you people can hold the debt. Make somebody not buy, make somebody not die. So I thank God for everything. So that is why una see they die. Una see they sick. Our God is God. So I can't tell my lawyer, I leave everything for God. I believe say anywhere my children is, you people have to take care of my children for me. Hey, when I take care of my children well for me, oh. I don't want my children, he come back to his mama, he break one leg. I don't want my children come back to their mama, one eye come blind. Or my children don't get one eye again. I don't want my children come back to me, one thing of the other. Because I carry my children complete. Shineke na mezioku. Una carry my children complete. And my children are going to come back with complete. I go check their body. You get, I will check their body, I go put their shirt. And anything happen, say one eye no day, or one hand, the leg no day. Where una want do me, una go do me that time. Una know say I fed a cry, una they see my video for the whole world. Go hear me una. I go tell the whole world, my children wanna carry. Where you say it complete. As no one can give me by no go people go help me as una mo for the whole world go help me as una mo. Una know say me na celebrity oh. They don't fair go viral. As our brother talk. My children go viral for internet oh. The video are still the video where their mama do for I never delete them. My children are coming to see their mama video. I just pray to Almighty God. And my life, I will fight for my children. I will do anything by thing. So people say, no, why are you coming now on social media? Mother, why you come and that was 2 years ago. I said, I'm alive, I have to fight for my children. At first, I said, I don't do these people bad. So I want my children to come see this video. Make them come see what their mama. Hey, oh, the mama, now you can't cry for social media. Yes. With by the power of God. Why I go there alive? I say I date and why I no go talk about my children? Oh, I go they create content. I go they carry people with I no fit do my own. Wait, my problem. I not talk na Tito want bring my children. I not talk. Now my God want bring my children. But I just want post it. You say how many kiss? My children are 3 kids. So now 2 times I born for Deutschland. Oh. Now 2 times oh. Now 2 times oh. God can't give me twins. Twins. People they say hey, twins. Eh? As God can't bless me. 2 years day my belly. I remember the day when I was pregnant. You get? When I was pregnant in Deutschland, me I come here single, my people. I come here for single. I come here for single. Now yeah, I come born. I for not even born oh, because I spent 3 years in Italy. You get? So I traveled many countries before I came here. I all those kind of born. I for never born. Now situation, Jamie not give me document. If you call Jamie here, my brother, stay where you are. Oh. No go, no. See, any man or woman will say want take my document away. You see the document, my children will enjoy their document. I too suffer. Now I can't born my. If you are a single, yeah, they can't even pursue me. You see the tweet where they carry. I born with Odudu. Even they say so Nigeria, but una will be woman. They give una doc. Who told you? They not give me oh. No be all women they give document to say now because they give women document for them. Who told you? I born with my Dudu. Maybe tomorrow if I there for I go show Dudu. Una know what it, they'll say love you don't know how to talk. Dudu. That's when they put red. I'll come show now. When I want go show when I want go give Osara Biode, where they renew document like Italy say questioner. I go photocopier. I went to go and photocopy to they remember. I believe what you see. My Dundun, una know to be Dundun, they put red. He's still with me. I go photocopy give her. Then I say I'll tell they remember. I born with Dundun. You get? People say now women they don't allow me to stay their country most of the time. But God do one. He don't tell where God they stand for me. I bought the twist document not come. I bought with Dundun. My lawyer can't fight on. They can't give me the normal advice. See, there is no time when Jamate accept me for the country. I don't just know why. I know just know why. Now me tell say me I know why even stay in a country. Now that time they can't move my children. So when I stay, I born with Dudu. It's so painful. My lawyer can't fight her, he can't give me normal house advice. My dude see this, no do. I can say, now so I go there, they will not carry me go back to Italy. I want to take care of the twins. You get? I want to take care of the twins. I call the thing. I for not even born again as I born that twins. My twins na a boy and a girl. Na a boy and what are they find again? Not be to the bobo. I can't tell one Nigerian woman where God go bless. So Nigerian girl, so Nigerian lady, they are nice. He said, Mama twins. Yeah, Mama twins. I say, if you see the Aduro house over there, it be like camp. Even Italian camp better pass. We are for born my twins. If I'm talking, they are here. These people they are with me. I know they lie. Suffer they Jamie. I suffer. So anybody will say want trouble me in everything. You go sleep, no wake up. No look me say now God will say I dey fine. I dey laugh. I suffer. Who say make I come Jamie? Hey, I say my ex-boyfriend tell me. This Nigeria boy say no come because that one know you like Jamie. When I want come out that time, he say no they come Jamie oh. If they work for you oh, that one know you like. I say God. So that boy go see call me or that man say me and you know they again. That time don't they go say I go see tell him I don't born oh. Don't come and no they say tall. He no tell you me no come Jamie. He no like that Jamie one time. I say you day Italy so. That brother they tell me say that my Nigerian man, that my ex-boyfriend say if they spend almost let's say almost 10 years in Italy. That time that time me you come now. He say he never come up for Italy. Italy good for it, but if they go Nigeria come all those one are all cargo for Italy. He say he no like Jamie. He saw all the brother there. He saw all the brother there Jamie. He no like him. He say tall. Now you born now they not give you document. They not give me. That one I say they not give me document. I don't know why they will call deport me. I don't know with twins. Even my lawyer, I know they trust my lawyer. If I go meet my lawyer, hey, no worry, no worry. Say one Nigerian woman called me say, Mama, you not go born again. Now so you go to rot it twins, they will come carry you. And I do us nowadays. I suffer. This children when they call collect. Why God not go fight for me? Why God not go fight for me? God see everything. Know what I see. Now no fit change them. I say my God they sleep. Now you know if you fight for me. My people, they told the story. Now so one woman say, you know go get belly again. I see, go get belly again. We twist. Boy and girl. I be no one boy again. Boy and girl, God, you give me once. Hey. Now so I force myself. Whether the man good or he not good or come put the belly. Come give. Now so I take get belly. My people. Now so I take get belly. If you see the house where I did, I cry. Me and my children suffer. Make them look for us. They say they don't give us house. I swear, God, everything when I talk. So if I lie, I know some you people are watching me on this internet. This people, me and my children, I still bought that pikin in that house. I can't buy the second one. Now dear God can't do one. I never see these people. My children don't they go 3 years and 3 months. I mention this story because of this woman will go Nigeria. I'm not supposed to talk am again. And this woman where he live, he said, the suffer when we don't suffer. This woman will go Nigeria, he live in Pikin. Now make they talk this thing. I be don't want to talk am again. I don't feel they talk am before. They say me I not talk am again. My people, I can't buy the second one. God can't do one. Document can't come. When document inside that house, now there they cook. Now there my children they sleep. Now there with the summer go come. Me and my children not go sleep. I beg these people, please, Mona, give me better. They say la. I don't know what have I done. One woman say, why they hate you? Jamie, no, Shosha, no one help you. I say, now so I born the other my pikin. That time my pikin don't they go 1 year and 3 months. Twins. I take care of my children alone with my baby papa. Without not see you get on. You get on, not see you no more. My children dead 3 years. If I don't see them one day, my children not break leg. My children not break hand. Now me they take it now. Now no twist now. No papa, no mama. Now me they take care of them. I go put one for here. I go put one for here. Never see these people for that house. I never see them one day. Say how you they take care of your children. How you they take care of your children. I don't see them all inside that house. I don't see you guys. I don't see them. I don't see them. My children come there for 3 years and 3 months inside that house. I can't bond your mama. Now that one document come. A document come, my people. Now dear you guys are come for me. Now dear enemy come for me. What are they talk? Say if I lie, I celebrate my document and say, God, I'm going to leave this Aduro, this camp. Finally, I get my document for this house. Oh, I can't carry my chin and say, we are going to get a better house, a better apartment. Oh, people come, they pity me for the area. Mama twins, hey, you feel come up for this house? They really suffer you. They don't give me house. They don't give me house. My children, don't, as we are talking, the 2 day, a year and 3 months. You get, do I lie? Jamie people, you people are here, do I lie? Press on for computer if this woman are lying. I never see them for that house. How you are taking care of your children? Your children, is it okay? This I don't see them one day. My people, as I call they look for us, with my document, I call they happy. Make my children they wear that house. It they affect my children. The house will affect it. My children cannot sleep. The house is too small. Now there with the cook. Now there with the eat. My people. Suffer what I see for Jamie. My friend where they Italy go say, no. Not be you say you want call Jamie. You see suffer where they. You see which kind country. Even that one, that Nigerian boy called the verse. Hey, love it. Now so you can't be for Jamie. I say, see me oh. Well, I tell you me you know call Jamie. You know yeah. I say, hey, so they don't give you ass. I said they don't give me ass. That Nigeria boy is good to be good because me and you know they again. We are still communicate. If I have it here, I'll still call her for it. We go to talk. You go to feel my pain. Love it. What make you go Italy, Jamie? Jamie, call your force. You may born. You will not like picking. 3 years I spent for Italy. I not born. No, be no they do bola. I know one born. Jamie, yeah, come. I wish me no come. I for never still born. What you call? I never settled. I never born. And Jamie. That's all my people. I call they look for us. Make my children they okay. The house they affect them. Now enemy say my people. Now you guys are saying now there they come for me. They begin to enter my house. They begin to find my house. They begin to send me letter. You are not taking care of your children well. My people now so. My baby papa is aware. They'll say you pursue your baby papa. Now make a saga that agbo boy. When I bring my children come out for TikTok, that was 2 years ago. I said, when they talk with you now, I don't see. You guys are they follow me for TikTok here. Then they see my video. If I lie for their hair, therefore don't pursue me for Deutschland. Everything there for computer. So everything, my baby papa was with me. When all they talk say, you pursue your baby papa. Now because of, no, my baby papa is here. That one they come and go. You know, so now Duro ask me they. If they come and go. I know say you there here now they watch me. Do I lie? My baby papa. If they come and go, you see everything. My you guys are not so they take come for me. Even when you guys are come for me, my baby papa they aware. I can't even they tell us, oh God, they don't come oh. They don't come oh. What you go do? Make a run. Because people, I can't go tell people, me, I don't know what to be you can. People, one woman come tell one brother come tell me say, you guys are don't they call your ass? Mama twist. I said, what be you guys are? Because I didn't come Deutschland. He said, now people where they like social way they collect your children. I said, my people, what are they talk so? He said, now people where they collect children. I don't know. Me, I ought to say the name, I just normal name. They don't call after I get that document, my people. Me, I they look for her at that time. They said they don't go find me house. These people was looking for a way. They come my house. You need the help. Which kind of help be this one? You need the help. So they carry me go court. My baby, are you not there? What are they tell you? Are you not? Do I lie? Not be your president. I go court. Oh God! I tell they say I don't need the help. My children there for since then. I mean they take care of them. Why you come be say I don't get document now? I want come out. Why una come say I need the help? You guys are carry me go court. They carry me go to say me say I don't need the help. I can't go meet my lawyer. My lawyer follow me go court. He court for the city again. They say I need the help. If I don't need the help, I will face the consequence. Oh God. I said, God, I go back to us. I said, okay, I sign for that. The woman begin to come. You get her begin to come my house. Early in the morning, my baby papa, you know they are where? I know obey. Wetin blessing they talk so na lie. My baby papa dey away, they come and go, they come that house, he go work, come back. The woman begin to come. I tell my baby papa, wetin I want do? I can't go dey tell people say this woman. They say that your children they want base, so your children they want target. One brother tell me say, after I said that woman don't they come now they want to target your children. I say they say well, they want move your children for no reason. I can't go be social. I can't go be social. I say social. Wetin dey happen? Wetin I did? They say the man told me for office say I cannot take care of my children. I say my children twins wey don a year and 3 months. I no see una since demo. I come born another one. That time my baby dey. This my new baby dey for like 6 months, be 7 months. I put that one, keep that bag when I dey roll. I come dey tell the social the man for office. Children wey me dey take care of. A year and 3 months twins. I no see una. Una not tell me say I don't know how to take care of my children. Children come reach a year and 3 months. I not try. Even the house now they affect the children. Una so I don't go find me house. Social wetin I do now. I come dey ask him. He said they no fit look for house for me. What have I done? Why una want carry these children away from my hand? What una want carry this? So now I don't know how to take care of my children. A year and 3 months. Now I don't know how to, for no reason. They say yes, so the man say yes, so he said I don't know how to take care. That is why they tell me say jam I no just boss it on my house. Now the how they take my children away. Now they tell me so. He don't tell that they face the battle. He don't tell where God they fight for me. If not, I for don't be like this woman. Now when he deport he say go Nigeria. If I don't run, this woman now don't dey Nigeria. He took children there with Jamie. The reason why they mention my story, the battle when I don't see. Now small I want tell una mo. Now say I come tell social. He say make I dey go ask. You know say when they don't talk. I said I hear them for kill Jesus. They don't talk, they don't talk. As I reach, I said I don't know how to take. I no sleep that night. I couldn't look my twins. My twins, I couldn't look leg. I couldn't tell my baby papa, even the omomo. See what this man talk. My baby papa now, everybody call they blame her. Now there for lose guy. I bet no accept me. Now there my baby papa for lose guy. May God not let you follow mumu man. Now, dear one Nigerian man called they swear for my baby papa. So this thing happened to this. Why some Nigerian man? He called they say, Mama, to why you go born for my way they useless. As you all find so. Not be all Nigerian man get bola. My baby papa they aware. This man, this Igbo man was so annoying. The man a Igbo man. He don't take for Deutschland. So woman call your ass in your present. Mama to I say he come my ass. After they move my children, the Igbo man was so annoying. Say, my baby papa, I see everything. I even call, when I come for social place, I even call my baby papa. When he come for work, he just come my house there. I say, see what they talk, say I cannot take all those children. What will I do? My baby papa, when I see me, he sees the math. Because he is the cause, he want my children to take away. All of them, they are my enemy. Yeah, now what did that Igbo man talk? He said that your baby papa na devil. He maybe no, he there among, may they take this man sees. I couldn't talk say, what do now? They say I cannot take all those children. No. Already, this man already tell me that after I say you guys, I don't tell you say you cannot take all. They are coming to come and move your children. I call my baby papa in the house. If I lie, you come and to come say na lie you they talk. Come on your live video. Larry, you there here now, they listen to me. Come on your live video. Say, blessing, Mama, to you lie for my head. Because you are still living in Germany now. May God not let you born for your enemy. Not be all Nigerian man go there with you, go rule your life. You go join the German people. You get because that one night, he fed the verse. He said, I too fine. And they use the children money to the buga. Oh, me where they Italy, they pay my house rent. My baby papa, they fight me for that kid that gate. You see, the reason why some Nigerian lady, they are single mother today, not be their fault. Nigerian man, you go have baby for most of them, not be all. They follow you, they drag in that gate. Which is very bad. Money where government give, they follow you, they give you babele. Now there the relationship, any relationship no they work for you. They follow you, they drag. My baby papa is the one. Do I lie for you? You follow me, they drag in that gate. Useless man. A man when they drag in that gate with woman. A man when he want make I use the children money to they feed. Ungrateful man. Upon as I do, I use the money to bema make some more for me. At the end, you sit tell say, Mama too is not try. You can never see woman will go help you again. Now me, I know say you there yet. You can never. I swear to Almighty God, I serve a living God. You, the day when you go claim another woman, you go not say a woman born you. The day now that day that woman go they slap you. You go they beat you. You will never see any woman will go help you again. You, I use that kid that money to feed this boy. I put you for that Aduro. I take a bullet, take a risk. Headmaster did that Aduro. You stay there for a year, 3 months. Feed you, black boy. At the end, this boy keep quiet. Now this Igbo man come, they say, oh, because that man, they want to move your children. My baby papa not talk. I even come tell her for the hour. Now when they say I pursue my baby papa, I was in my baby papa, confirm. That is why you know if you come out for social media, say you want to, what you want to talk? Where? I don't want to see you, though, if you, the day when you go die by number, I swear, if I don't put you for prison, you will know say I not be blessing. At the verse, as you just the road, they go, just they go. You believe say I don't suffer where? I believe say when my children come, that your pikin, if you come, if you don't grow, now you will go find papa. Alright? You will come find you. If you still there alive, you will come find you. So just they do your own, they go. Don't die my number. None of my family go die my number. Because waiting I see, una no expect and say, bless you go there alive. What I do you? I bought for you, see a batting. You stay the Aduro house for there. I put you for that house. A year or 3 months, you don't pay house rent. A lot of your men, they pay house rent for Deutschland. Now, there you for build your house. They feed you with that kinder gate. At the end, this man told me, said, they are coming to come and move your children. This man not let me rest. Every day with the quarter for that house when I see put on. Headmaster did that house. You go pass back here. Then they come, make they not see her. Make they not see her do that thing for this boy. Ungrateful person. So at the end, you go rent a house. After I bought that, now one man called, they just say, come out, Oga. May not go put this woman for people. One Nigerian man called, they say, come out. Yeah, na Duro house. You don't see stay here. This woman don't try for you. Go rent house. He say, no get money. Person when they go work, he know they pay house rent. He don't stay for that Duro house. And they take a risk. Because if they see her, then they will give me traffic. You understand? He say no get money. I still move that money for kinder gate. You see where my hair go they termite you now. I swear. If my hair no termite you, I no move money come. The day when I go collect children money, when they never come, I still give you my go rent house. You go carry house. At the end, if the house rent, this boy go run come. Hey, you have to give money. So many things. My people, let me just pause for that side. Now so I tell this my baby papa. They call they drag me for TikTok. Especially that stupid boy, that Agbo boy. We don't know how to talk. You gonna go pursue my baby papa. Now he made they collect on children. Now saga this boy. Are you crazy? I get you go and delete that video. No, go and delete. They tell her that my video, my children video, what you do last year. That Agbo boy, lucky. You have to delete that video. And they tell you, I enter your page. My pikin video see there. If you don't delete it, one day I'll come saga you again. Because that day I enter your page. And they screw on my children. I say me delete that video. Very rubbish person. My baby papa they are aware. Everything. All my baby papa they are aware. And now they even judge the UK to make sure. Because Blessing a nice person. Blessing I'm a beautiful woman. Even when I date Italy, they pay my house rent. I'm a big girl on my own. Because somebody called Jamie here, called born. Una office say the woman not get life before. I not get life before. And that's why Symphony there for the Deutschland. Nigerian man, if you born for there for you, they say you as a woman, you don't get life where they live. Say now that kid that money, now it could be your life. How far? My enemy, all of una there here. See, look at me. Now I can't even find pass. Even waiting I put for net, the time when my children there with me, he'll wear God now. This God, since 2 years, and they use a bath. You see, they will send a kid that money. Oh, a blessing. Mama to wait for see this thing where you put for neck. Children not there now. Blessing is still living. When that money they know the God is still protecting me going. Now God will not be my power, not be juju. I don't get anything when I rely on. It's only this Almighty God. We create heaven and earth. You see? If you wear clothes, that is why some women they pursue their baby papa. But some baby Nigerian men, they are all dead their body. Yeah, not be Italy, my brother. You understand? They go they follow you, they drag the money. Man, when he love you before. e no go love you again. They are all see that. I know say some women they are all dead their body. I know say not be all Nigeria men they drag women, but so for inside, like my baby papa that number one. So at the end, my people, as that Nigerian man tell me say they are coming, my baby papa keep quiet. I can't tell her say, how want do now? Even some people say make I run. Hey, you guys are don't they call your ass? So my baby papa keep quiet. He go come for work. He go eat food where I will give. He go sleep. Oh, how want do? I don't know say my you guys are come because me I be clever woman. Because already they don't already tell me, Shosha don't tell me say you cannot take care of your children. They don't carry me go court. Wetin come remain again? Even people don't tell me the woman they come my house, my baby papa they see her. You guys are they come my house once in a week. My baby papa they are where? All of now we don't know me when they judge me for TikTok. Especially that Lucky. Lucky, I tell you now, there you go and delete that video where you do last year. My pikin video see there your page. Not let me come out oh, not dare me. When all they talk with you now, I don't see. All my baby papa, they are where? That is why now God they punish it. They run, they go. Say me and all this women go pursue their baby papa. Now me una want to single mother. That is why una can't get one problem, one or the other. They'll come move your children because you are a single mother. Nobody. Who told you? My baby papa, all of the day are wet. My baby papa, that day go walk where they come move my children. I even call her say, back here, man, but what want do now? This boy keep quiet. I don't concern you. Eh? What you want do now? What you want do now? They say I cannot take all those children. Some people say make I run away. Hey, you want run away? I don't know what you say make I do. After 3 days, I go see my lawyer. My lawyer said, you see this lawyer, who do they go meet? If they give you do, they just, you go to see lawyer. You people are wasting your time. Lawyer, they work. See, they are. After say you are in Nigeria, they are working hand to hand. You get? Don't believe in lawyer. If they say you come up for the country or anything, or just pray to Almighty God. All of them. I go see my lawyer. My lawyer say, they say, you guys are they come my house, so they don't carry me go court. Now you say make I sign all the. Hey, don't worry, everything will be okay. My lawyer told me everything will be okay. Said they are not coming. The woman just come to come and help you. All those kinds of things. I said no problem. My baby papa no talk. None of they talk. After I tell to my lawyer, talk to this my baby papa, he go work that day. After 4 days, I was sleeping inside my room. You get? Is it not so? My children never start school. My children never. If I say my children never start school, my children there for a year and 3 months. 3 years. Sorry, 3 years. The two day 3 years and 6 months. The mama there for 8 months. The mama way there my hand. That one see they saw breast. My baby papa go work that day. Now the same house he sleep. Is it not so? He go work oh. My children never start school. I want go put them for school. These people no agree. Yes, they no agree. They block everywhere. They say I no feel register. They are just targeting the children. They just they target the children by all means to move them away. That's a document. If I dey look for us for that city, when they talk say, why did you leave that city? They no give me house. If I dey find house, they no give me document. They no give me house. They want block everywhere. My children are going to register them for school. The twins. They say everywhere occupy. They block the school. They block the house we are looking for. Document already come. My people, it never reached 5 days. I was sleeping. He said, I'm so... Yes! I was sleeping. I will show you the day they come carry my children. The video. Me, I been do video. As I be snap picture. One day I go post. I don't post the video. For the video when I do 2 years concerning my children, I go post them again. Mona see the clothes when I wear. Now just short gown like that. My children, I give them food. I put them for bed in the afternoon. My baby papa don't go work. Everybody don't go work. You know how Jamie be. I don't know say these people are coming. If you see AK-45, if you see Ogbalegbe, when I don't tell you Ogbalegbe, when you come, even the court was, I tell the court, say, what have I done? Why they pack police? Why they pack police? When my lawyer carried the go court, the UK, even the judge was, say, is it true? They said that yes. Why would not pack police like that? We don't want to go fight Boko Haram. Police, when they carry come my ass that day. My people, not be one. You know, say so they go for 2. So they go for 2. My own receives. As me and my children, they sleep in the afternoon. They don't eat finish. I carry my children. You know, they make me happy. They go, they run, follow me. You know, they run, mama. Especially the twins. Day, all of you, they sleep in the afternoon. My baby per day for work. I see say, that our house, you know, window day like this. I see say police. No, the thing they enter my eye. One Arabo day that has that day. You know, say the compound Aduro has. I was thinking there's some Arabo they fight. They make problem. Police only come me say to me. Ah, already the dream when me fair dream. Even my baby papa see him. Where he say the dream where he dream. God show us, but the devil can't succeed. And devil succeed for this woman. I'm just this woman when go Nigeria. But maybe people don't fit tell me say come on. Even the dream and that I never even they go church. I don't lose guide my people. I see say police they be one. That was around 2 o'clock. I can still remember. My hair not capucho. Jama people, my hair, my metal hair, everything's okay. Me, can't the wrong man, can't get score for her. Are you? God forbid bad thing. I didn't come in a country for sickness. That sickness, that depression, that thing one of the reasons say una collect the children, the woman no go. It will never be blessed in mama twin portion. I'm a mama twins. You know, say women when born twins, they are blessed woman. God can't bless me, can't give me twins. Just give me 2 children at once. Some people born 4 or 5. What I want they get score for her like this woman can't deport herself, can't they depress? Hey, this woman can't dip. Now make this woman don't go Nigeria. He can't. They say he can't enter the pre. It no easy. Mona they take her, mona they relax, mona they happy. Now me they years, so now 4 years. Now my own they go 5 years now. I they clear them. Nothing happened to me. They don't try. They don't they reason. Even caution, the caution don't they judge these people. Say oh. I swear, they something they chop for their belly now. Say this woman see there without no shati. I know they do my thing, they go. Whether they give me money, may I take feed myself. Whether they not give me, I just they do my thing, they go. If they not call me for their office, I just they also my money. I just they do things that will just make me happy. Sometimes I'll see me for I just they do my thing. I know, you know, concern me. If they even call me for their office, I just say, ask, wetin make you call me? Just tell me, make I get 30. I don't get that time. I just do and finish. I just come on. I don't get bad record. They never give me medicine to swallow. I never go back. No, say if you want buy tablet, say or bless it, don't they take they swallow depression medicine. You know they. I thank God for my life. If I they swallow that kind of thing, in their computer, they go tell you, say, hey, this woman, you know they. You know, say if you want buy medicine for Deutschland, you have to present, you know, a doctor have to give you that paper. Everything, you know, feed it. So I thank God for my that kind of thing, you know, they. I they sleep where nothing happen to me. Say, you know, they'll come collect my children, I'll come get score. Hey, come they colometer for what? They don't try, tire. Hey! Sometimes they say, no stress me. I don't like stressing. Don't say, we understand. Don't stress me. So they don't even call me for the outfit. I don't go even go. I just they do my thing, they go. If I want to go anywhere, I want to go. So I go, you travel. Last year, I don't get where I want to go. I only make myself happy. Madam, make yourself happy. If you something happen to you now, like this woman will deport said now. Now, waiting that they find, may it happen to you. They don't say if you don't get score for it, don't demand, they don't carry you go psychiatric. Your children is gone forever. The reason why if you are a father, your children is gone. They'll say you are not correct, your hair not correct. And now waiting the one may happen to you. The reason why they will take your children on away, they will make your children far away for you, they will try to manipulate you. Yes, and they see una come and may God bless una. They will try to manipulate you so that the thing go pay you go overthink. Now overthink they call depression. Overpain, what you are going through that now they lead to depression. From depression to score, they'll say score. Man, kilometer, you not overthink. I know they think last year I see say I have nothing to go, I have nowhere to go. I wrote my luggage, Italy go. They can't even they ask me who you want to go see for Italy. Don't ask me. If I reach Italy, before I go call people, 3 people, they say, where you go stay? I say, even though I don't get where I want to stay, before I go call people, when they will carry me enter house. I only make myself happy. Even sometimes if I dey lonely, maybe I just dey free. Maybe the time when I dey go school, we just dey holiday. For me to sit down for inside room, call the depression. Not be me, oh. I just run my luggage. I get document to Italy. People know me now. You know me say I go Italy last year. You know, don't know me. I not go even do video. I not go even let anybody. Not be everything. You go there travel. You go there post time for TikTok. All those kind. No, not be all the time. Sometimes I just sit do and sometimes I no do. I just go enter buy ticket. After I say I see money. If I don't even get money, people that love me, they will send me money. Hey, bless you. They love you. They come Italy. I say though. You get one man where God will bless. I need money to buy ticket. No, you go send me money. If I just call down, only that man alone. If I call and say I want to stay your ass, forget about sex. The way that man will take receive me, the way that man God go, I don't want to make sure that man go the way he will take receive me. What are we? I only make myself happy. So now when I go there busy, I don't want to travel. Baby, this year now I dey very occupied. You know, that is why I never go Italy. The day when I will sit there free, because Italy, I like Italy too much. If I just come down for there, I just they happy. If they just say, oh, see Italy, I just they happy. Italy, not go jam yo, depression country, colometa country. You say me I go work. I go work now. The reason why I say I dey busy now. I dey busy now, go work. You know, since I never travel this year. He said go work. Why I not go work? Last year I was schooling. Okay, Jamie here. When they say go work, you better say you know they Jamie. Jamie here, let me tell you something. Everything is step by step. Yeah, you cannot stay Jamie say you're the sleep. So now mentality for another country, especially Italy, you know they here. So ask question at that country, but I will tell you. Jamie not be say you all wake up, you go they find work. You get? Yeah, now step by step. We don't need to be step by step. You know? Step by step. You get? So, Jamie, this country cannot just allow you sit down for his ass. They sleep. Even though you don't get anything, they must surely give you one thing of the other. Last year, I was schooling. Now I finish my school. Whether I learn or not learn. I know they post now for TikTok that time. Even if I did for school, I even they post the video that now I finish my school. I go school for a year and 3 months. Whether I learn the language, now the message where they send me. You get a year and 3 months every day for school. You think we are playing for a year? Jamie go allow you sit down for how they sleep. They'll say we're not too lazy for Jamie. Na Italy na for the lazy. Yeah, that's why they tell me, yeah, na hard country. Yeah, na this country I don't like them. Jamie go allow you to sit down for inside, they collect their money. Today, now don't go outside, come back. Every day, only today when you don't go come out, they must say you go message one thing of the other. Even though you never start work, maybe they don't, maybe the work never come, or you never start school, that message never come. Country here now, if they delay. If they look for work, you can use 3 months to start work. You can use 4 months. You get, yeah, not be Italy, you all they find work. If you want to start school, what are they talk? So anything you want to do for Deutschland, now slowly. Do you see why some people they depressed? So if you are coming to James, say for example, you have document, please, if you cannot patient, depression will be your portion. If you cannot patient in Deutschland, you are a man that cannot have patience. You go get kilometer. You see that depression go full your head because why? Yeah, now slowly. They be like tortoise. No, not tortoise. Where they waka tortoise. Jamie not they fast. You not be like Italy where you all wake up. You want go look for work. 2 weeks. Una body they don't employ you for work. Yeah, not be like that. Oh, go and ask if you are looking for work. You will go apply. It can take you 3 months for them to call you. You go your day ass. And Jamie go allow you sit down for us. Because they know say that thing never come. Not be say you don't go apply for work. You are not schooling. You just sit down for her, they chop. In Deutschland, especially our black people, they go allow you. Love it. Who way want enjoy? You they see your body. You sit down for her. You want sleep today? Sleep waiting. Jamie go allow me stay. No. Maybe that thing it never come. The reason why, as that work never come, or school, you don't go apply for anything you want to apply, it never come to pass. It may be one German no go see allow you sit down for us. You see that, tell me. You see that appointment, make I make sure appointment, because some people know they don't know what to be tell me. They call you, go here, until that way you go apply for work or anything come to pass. Jamie, you can't sit down for us. So if you see any woman wey fat, na in nature. So na Italy dey una for the enjoy. Now you go see Shetro, you go see fine boy, you go see. Really, yes, he said really. You go see fine boy, you go put something for man, you go all sit down for outside. You see some Nigeria but African men, they look because why? Do you know why? You are paying your astray by yourself in Italy. You are your own, so you have a right to do whatever you want to. In Deutschland, in Deutschland, that kind of thing you want go put. Shetro not there here. No shame. If you dey come, you see that's why I say travel is a part of education. Italy they do one thing. I love Italian boys. So you see, Nigeria boy they there. Una get one mindset. This is why I say love to travel. So people now, even though you don't want to stay Germany, you don't want to stay that one. I bet, brother, still carry your luggage. 5 person where you want to sit down with. Even though that 1 week, if you get holiday, go sit down, come up for Italy there. Come collect breeze. You know, say breeze where they blow for Germany here. No, be they blow for Italy. You see where you go come here. Even though now only 1 week you spend, just say you all stroll around. You go there. If you go back, my brother, only 1 week alone. Even though you go know you will come see the system. If you go back, you will come know. You see that your mindset, you go some kind your mindset where be say that Italian mind go disappear small. You get? So the reason why we both say travel is a part of education because our own mindset is different from Nigeria but we dey here. Their mindset. And they tell you, that is why not be say I don't like because so Nigeria men we dey there. Not be say I don't love woman, but our mindset in Nigeria but we dey Germany here. Their mindset different from now for relationship. Let's say the truth. I know say for that communication, Germany they use and take the Nigeria boy they whether na depression I they worried I don't know. But you see Nigeria boy una way be Nigeria boy in Italy, African man Nigeria boy. If they date a Nigeria girl in Italy, what are they observe una for? You know what una might say? Una might say just they feel say maybe the way una they live for that Italy now so that woman they live, that brother they live. That una might say. Una feel say the way una the way Italy be now so it be for you, not be so it be. You get? That's why if you they date a Nigeria, one Nigerian woman tell me if you they date a Nigerian boy for there, they will feel say the way una they live for there. Now there you go see Nigeria girl go there his house. No, so now you they pay your rent, man and woman. You go all day morning to evening. You know say Nigeria girl for Italy there. You know, they sabi una sabi run the shetro. Una sabi they sabi take care of man. Una sabi care the lie. You know. Put there for sweet. So far me sabi naka well. No, don't be like sabi naka. You get better gbola, my brother. Naka. So the Nigerian girl will they die for you. You go your the you go even the happy say you there. You not go work. Say I know say some Nigerian men they go work. You see Jamie here. Even though every day I tell them, even they Jamie here, if you date a woman for year, forget I say he get 3 children or he get 4 children, the woman you must take good care of her. Yes, even though the woman want help you, must they spend money for her. At all, you must spend money. See, Jamie for year, Nigeria boy they give woman money at all. You get? Shecho not there here, oh. That is why the different, you know. When you go to date a Nigerian boy some of them for Italy, they will feel say na by call a woman, I get better gbola, all those kind of na by call woman 20 times in a day. I know say that one a day, but can you take good care of that woman? Can you take good care of me? Forget about communication. You are calling me 20 times in a day. It doesn't matter. That one a day very important. I go call you, say will call me. You get better gbola. Yes, I need better gbola. We go knock where. Me, I go open the ikpekus. But can you take good care of me? Are you a shentro? Don't go they get that mindset. Say all this thing where they play with that woman. He live in Germany. you know say Jamie people they get money, Jamie women, and this one you get 3 children 4. If they collect it that gate, you go if you they call your ass for Italy, you know, you go just call your ass, even though you not give them money, you come knock your bola. I don't know, they say they happen, no, na lie you. Oh my God, see, let me tell you, see, I know if you talk say Lovette, since I leave my baby papa, say I never get boyfriend. Boyfriend when I get na Italy. May I tell you now, my brother way they look me. Yeah, na Italy. If they spend money. Hey, boyfriend when me get. Thank you for the gift. Boyfriend when me get na Italy. They spend money. Na I don't know whether na Nigeria but I know one measure. If they spend money, what are you talking about? If I want to help you, I help you. You spend money. Not be Italy I for buy this thing. Not be my buyer for me. Maybe you gonna wash me for yourself. Na Italy oh, not be German money. This gold. Hey, you carry me enter supermarket oh. What are you talking about? Even though I want to help you, not be saying women not get money, but don't get that mindset. Say you be sure you can. It not go happen. If that one, if I want just help you, say you be my guy, you they try. I just see buy gift, you know, woman see the support. If you cry, I can't say love it. I have a problem. Oh, you need to see help your boyfriend, you know. We need to not go get that mindset, my brother. Say your bola long where. Huh? Say you sabi knock like 24 hours. Say you they call me 20 times in a day. Love it. This woman live in Jamie. So even though I not give her anything, I be Caro white boy. My bola long reach it. Jamie for you, they not go agree. Oh, Jamie women. Hey God, you not do that video that day, my brother. Say some women, if Nigerian man they call their ass, so single mother go they call. Not be the video I do when Nigerian boy tell me say come do one, buy this one, you have to buy them. Not me can't do that video last week. I be last 2 weeks. I call the tell them say wanna take them easy. Wanna see let that Nigerian boys, Nigerian men they complain. They go now for road, my brother. Now for road, as you they go that single mother house, you go tell you say enter supermarket, buy my pampers. Buy this one, buy this one, buy this one. And so Nigerian men go do that shopping. So women go see toss. So what do you do, say? If you want to see command for in Deutschland, the man must surely put one for pocket. Whether na 50 euro now, you must give that woman. No be me come do that video that day where that Nigerian boy they complain. Now so they run out here. And if you don't do it, the woman will tell you say you be bad person. Oh. You understand? You go say you be bad person, you don't need relationship, you're not ready for in Deutschland, okay? And now what is supposed to be? You love a woman, why can't you take care of her? You see that on a mindset. Now still Italy they happen. Now there they run and I feel say say now there she show the work. Now feel your woman, get sweet man. So when we put something for man, they put that woman online, the manipulator. You know they happen for Jamie. Soon, you know they happen for Lovette. I don't get that time, my brother. If you like me, your bola long. You see that take care of. Now that one will tell no say you love me. You see the reason why I say travel is a part of education. At all, even though I'm not saying me they give me all the time, but when I ask you money, say I want to go and make my hair. Oh yeah, give me this thing. Not be all the time. You have to give me. Me, I be person who knows I be disturbing man. You know, now that one I go tell no say you truly love me. Not because I don't get money to solve that problem, but I need your money to solve it. So if you give me that money, I go keep. I go not say you truly love me. Not be to knock me for bed. We don't have that mindset in Deutschland. Right from time when me enter Europe, I don't have that mindset. Even when I date Italy, I beg you. If you are a Shetro never begs me. Now you get one that they feel put on. If I say you be that kind of guy, I go boof you, my brother. I go boof you. Yeah, I say I don't spend 8 years. You now see video when I post when I did Italy. Italy to Germany, I don't spend like 8 years in Europe. Okay, I post one video. I stay Italy. I just Central. But if I say you be that kind of a guy will be Central, cause me I get 2 eye, not be 1 eye. Cause now our Nigerian girl, no say most of them, una sabi put them online. Me I know they pay for bola, my brother. I go you they why they pay for your bola for waiting. So girl they pay for it. Now can like 3 years, me I can't pay put. You they crazy. That one I love. Now mumu love be that. Huh? Bola when me don't take born boy and again. You know say na twins I born. No be Nigerian man knock me now I born twins for you. Wetin con relationship I know that so that na mindset there. This is why I say travel is a part of education. More than say the road luggage. If you come me say bless you wan come visit me for Germany, I go open door for you. It doesn't mean say na access. All right, or call anybody say I wan come spend 1 week. May you see they get that brother, especially our son, our Nigerian men. You see come your brain go the one thing when I your life for Germany be say na the experience that is you go learn many things. You go know say na Europe you dey, you know that your mindset. If you go back to Italy, you go get the way you take they live your life. Some people go even they tell you say bros you dey form. The reason why you see some Nigerian men when they go pursue German go pursue them go back to Italy, they'll say you just the chakara, you just the form. You not the form. Because the weather, the cold way they here, it don't enter brother brain, the character. If I go Italy now, the way they see our Nigerian men for there, the sister will say, well, why here? I know they look all of day. If I dey inside train, some go this say I dey form. I know they form. If you come Germany, you go calm down. You go learn many things, humbleness, that gra they do for there. He no day again. Now only that one I like for Germany. If I come up for Germany now, I don't learn many things. That character don't day. I felt get on before, but yes, you go learn many things. Not be that gra. You go come get sense. You know that sense, that mumu sense, that your mindset. It go disappear. That mindset will be say, you know, say everybody have your reason. You know, hey, you see some Nigerian men now. They'll say, you just go Italy. They'll say, you just this one, you're the form. You just they look everywhere. This brother, not be say that brother get money. My brother, you better pass him. If you be say you were in Italy, and they tell now, you better pass away your conjem. But now your character be that. You can calm down. Jamie, you have to calm down. You see that the way your country they live your life, Jamie go train you. If the country said the quietness coming forward, you not be like Italy there, all of them go there inside train. The kind noise, they don't make noise, yeah. When you are inside the train, he say na truth. When you are inside the train, you have to calm down. They'll say, Lazar, you don't make noise. Everybody go there quiet. Don't be say you don't go talk, calm down. Your brain have to calm down. Anywhere you they go, gently. You know to be gently. You go to waka where. If you that kind of a guy, we know sabi waka. You know say so Nigerian boy go to waka. If you come here, you learn how to waka where. If you are a woman, you go to bounce where. If you the waka, they go for road. You go no say waka get level by level. You be like UK now. UK and America. Now so Jamie be. So when you come reach Italy now, not be say the woman get money and not get, but my character go just, you go to say, Lovette, you have a form. He ma form in my brother, no form. I know. You get, thank you so much. He say, God bless you, mother. Yeah, I know form. Now, Jamie make me be like that. Okay? I know form. I no look down on you. I no look, you say, hey, this one you're the form because you come for Jamie. No, now Jamie cause am. That is why you see Nigeria boy, if the German say they come out for the country, they go they run up and down, they don't want to go. Not be say Italy no go because they are already they used to the country. They are already they used to for the country. That is why the country get the way they. If you are living in Germany, just like you are living in America, or you are living in, yes, I don't see any different. The only America and Canada is just that English. Now it be different. So even their house for go. You know, go see, you know, too much see balcony, go your work. You see, if you buy something for Africa shore, go your house. You know, they know they put chair for Africa shore for the one that they gather. You get one when I go Italy last year, I go buy something for Africa shore. Nigerian man food there. I can't sure go back again. the brother say, why you they shock? I said, people you food here are they shame. He said, what do they shame for? Not be your Nigerian boy. They just food there, Africa shore for there. Yes, he said, yeah, Jamie. They just fool Africa shore, come they share for Italy. Say, hey, bro, because now brother said, no be you, they see you for Tito all of it. I say, if you they see me for this one, I real life, so you they shave like this. If you they talk for Tito, if you they post video today for public, people they watch, you know they shame. For real life, now you say they shame. I said they shame. The brother said, so, not be waiting they see person for social media, not be they be. Oh, now say you want they use social media till they judge me. Oh, you see where una they get it wrong. Oh, you they think say love they talk for TikTok. Oh, that's why. The brother said, no, you don't need to use social media till they judge if you see any woman. Believe in real life. So love you they shame like that's how they shame. I say they shame. You understand? I don't enter that supermarket that day. I go stand. I say, brother, you go buy something. I don't feel enter here. He say, enter now. I said, I don't feel enter. Go buy what you want. I go stand for front, one corner. That brother buy finish. Now so come out. He say, hey, love, not be you I dey see for Tito. I say, I know I dey shame. So you come see somebody for real life now. The food there. You say, I say I dey shame. How will your food inside Africa shop like that? I don't know. I want to greet them. I don't know who I want greet for inside. They just food front. Now so it be. Don't use social media and TikTok till they judge somebody. You see, and that Italy they wanna get that mindset. That is why una all reason for there. They'll say woman with Italian boy, Nigeria boys. Hey, any woman with their social media said they not too like her like that too. They don't feel say women with their social media, all of them are fake. See, let me tell you something. When I go Italy, daddy, do you know how many guys? Not be my where you see me, where you know me for TikTok, where you see me for real life. When I go Italy, you know they are still following me for this Italy, for TikTok here. You don't see me for real life. That is if I post video, they go say don't be loved when I see for Italy that day. You get? So they get that mindset. Say una feel say woman wey dey social media, e no get freedom, or woman wey dey TikTok, e no be na yeye person, or no be responsible person. See me for real life. Oh dogun, what are you talking about? You don't know me for real life. You don't see me. See me first before you are talking there. People wey don't see me, they can testify. So you see some Nigerian guy. If you dey communicate with them, they go dey fear because you are doing something on TikTok. Oh, now what I tell one Nigeria, but you are too private. I don't like somebody